Now if you want to create your virtual environment setup, all you have to do is copy it and come to the terminal and paste it here. And you can see here that my environment is created here, and the packages are just customized for it, used for this only specific project. Now let me teach you something else which are very important, and let's call it module search path in sys.path. Okay, so let's just come here, let's cover it here and let's come down. Okay, now imagine you lost your keys. You search in order, first your pocket, then the table, then the drawer, then the whole house. Python does the exact same thing when you write import module, import math or whatever. It searches a list of folders one by one until it finds the module. The list of folders Python searches is called sys.path. It is just a Python list of folders paths. Python goes through them left to right and uses the first search it finds. Now let me just, Python goes through when you import, when Python goes through the current script folder, Python path folders, standard library folders, and side packages. These are four things that Python goes through. So when you import sys, okay, so your Python searches for these four things. Okay, now let's just print sys.path, and you can see all the paths here. You can see that the paths are given here, project 3, and different paths are given here. That is not clear, so let me just print the full path for you. Okay, but since if you want to print in one line, which is easier to read, then all you have to do is create a loop for path in sys.path, print path, and you can see now that it will look clear. Now you can see that. Okay, you should remember one thing, that Python searches all folders in sys.path and finds nothing. It raises an import error. And you can see here that my prompt project, Python project 3 or something, this is the folder, the thing that I'm currently working on. And at the end you will see some packages, and try it yourself and you will find out. Now if I want to import a module, okay, let's say that I want to import a module, okay, from another, let's say that standard library modules, new window. Okay, let's just come here and Let's find something that is a little bit interesting. Okay, now if I want to okay, now if I want to import this module, which is not in the project I'm working on, it is in another folder, and if I want to import this module utils, UTILS, okay, to the folder I'm currently working on. So all I have to do is import. Now okay, now if I run it, you can see that I will get an error. Okay, now if I call the function, let's see what function it is. It is a function format name. Okay, now let me just copy it. Let me just copy it and let me just paste it here. Print dot format name. Let me just put something here. Okay, whatever you want to put it. I just want to show you that it will give me an error that the module is not defined. Okay, it will show you that the module is not defined. You can see here that module has no attribute format name or something else, attribute error. Now if I want to import this module, all I have to do is now to add your custom folder at position first. Your 0 means search first. All you have to do is go to sys.path.append, and here you have to start from 0 and put. Now here you have to copy the path. Okay, so I have to come here to the project and I have to click on this, copy, and here I have to put Control Shift and S, and then I come here back and put it here. Make sure that you change it, write it like this. Okay, and because in Python we don't use the other notation. Now you can import the module in that folder. It is insert, not append, sorry. We use append to add the end folder, like, so we have to use insert here. Now you can import the module. But since you can see that Python project, this is a whole module because it is the file. Let me just show it to you, init.py. So I told you that whenever a folder has init.py, then the whole folder is treated as a module. So instead of importing utilities.py, I will import the project name, which is Python project 1, which is in Python project. So we have copied the path. Now I will just import the whole project, and the whole project is the whole name of the project, which is Python project 1. So I'm going to paste here, import Python project 1, and here I will just Python project 1. And now you can see that it is displayed Han boy. And if you come here, you can see that the main file format name is imported from the module utilities.py. Now if you want to if you want to import from this, not from the folder, okay, which is treated as a module, then if you want to import from here or here, then you will have to write the name of the module. Now for the sake of your understanding, let me just import this module, and its name is new. So let me just import it, and let's just import new, and just print new dot square root of 25. And now you can see that we will get 5, and all these square root and all these are already imported here. So we just have to import the name of the module and just add do whatever we want to do.